In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track individual tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to add time fields to a project, estimate work, and track the actual time you spend on a task using Asana's built-in timer. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account, complete any prompts, and you'll land on your Asana home. From here, open the project where you want it to track individual tasks. You can select it from your sidebar or the home screen, depending on your setup. Inside the project, look to the top right and click Customize. This opens a panel where you can tailor the project to your workflow. In that panel, go to Fields. Fields control the columns you see in List View and the details you can track across tasks. Click Add to create or enable additional fields for the project. From the menu, choose Time Your Work. This option activates Asana's native time tracking fields for the project. As soon as you add it, you'll see two new fields appear in your project: Estimated Time and Actual Time. Estimated time is where you enter how long you think a task should take. Add values in a format your team understands, such as hours and minutes, so everyone estimates consistently. Good estimates help you plan capacity, align expectations, and compare planned effort with what actually happens. The actual time field is tied to Asana's timer. When you're ready to work on a specific task, click into that task's row and press the play icon in the actual time field to start tracking. You can keep working in Asana or switch to other tools. The timer will continue running in the background. When you finish the work for that task, click Stop to log your time. The duration you just tracked is saved right in the actual time field for that task. Using both fields together gives you immediate visibility into the gap between estimate and reality. Over time, this helps you forecast more accurately, spot tasks that routinely overrun, and adjust workloads before bottlenecks form. If you don't see the new columns, make sure you're viewing the project in a layout that shows fields like List View and confirm you have permission to customize the project. Depending on your plan, the Time Your Work option may require specific access or an upgraded tier. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, added the Time Your Work fields, entered an estimate, and used Play and Stop to capture the actual hours for an individual task. You're now ready to track your work in Asana with clarity and confidence.